The world of marketing is changing fast, quicker than many of us could have ever imagined. Every day, new technologies emerge, shifting the ground beneath our feet and pushing us towards the next big thing. Have you felt the effects of this change? Maybe you've noticed how the ads you see seem to read your mind. Or how content across the web is becoming more personalized and engaging. This isn't just happenstance, it's the dawn of a new era in marketing, an era powered by artificial intelligence, or AI for short. You're going to see the big picture of how AI is transforming the marketing landscape in this book summary video. Marketing Artificial Intelligence by Paul Roetzer and Mike Kaput. From the compelling narratives of marketers who've embraced AI, to the strategic revolutions led by pioneers like BuzzFeed, you'll uncover the secrets to leveraging AI for breakthrough marketing strategies. This isn't just about keeping pace with change, it's about leading the charge. You're about to discover how embracing AI can elevate your marketing efforts, making them smarter, more efficient, and infinitely more effective. Ready to see what the future holds? Let's go! Key Idea 1. Navigating the AI revolution in marketing. Let's start our journey by looking at the evolution of marketing in the era of artificial intelligence. As you probably know, we currently find ourselves at the confluence of human ingenuity and technological breakthroughs. This unique convergence has created an exciting yet challenging landscape for the field of marketing, inhabited by over 10 million professionals worldwide, who are now witnessing a seismic shift in their domain. This transformative change is, of course, being driven by the advent of AI, which is not just altering the tools of the trade, such as data analysis and customer relationship management, but is also reshaping the very essence of how marketers engage with audiences, enhancing personalization in real-time decision-making. This change is set against a backdrop of rapid technological advancements that have occurred over the past 2 decades. What once seemed like science fiction, machines that learn and think, is now part of our everyday lives. This integration of advanced technology into daily operations is paving the way for AI to fundamentally reshape the marketing landscape. In this fast-paced era, the evolving technology pushes us to rethink how we connect, engage, and influence in a digital world, nudging marketers to gear up for a future where AI is at the heart of marketing strategies. This paradigm shift in marketing strategy compels professionals to adopt new technologies and strategies that align with the digital transformation. But this journey into the new era isn't a walk in the park. Even though marketers recognize AI's game-changing potential to transform their strategies and outcomes dramatically, there's a readiness gap. The slow adoption of AI in marketing strategies hints at a deeper issue of education and training. When it comes to AI, many marketers feel like they're in over their heads, struggling with the complexities of implementing such technologies effectively. This underlines the pressing need for marketers to embrace lifelong learning and skill enhancement, so they can fully harness AI's potential to boost human creativity and efficiency. Continuous professional development and training in new technologies become crucial in bridging this gap. At the core of marketing's evolution in the AI era is the idea of making marketing smarter. AI opens up a world of possibilities, from machine learning algorithms that provide deep insights into consumer behavior to deep learning techniques that mimic human thinking processes. These advanced tools offer marketers unprecedented capabilities to analyze vast amounts of data, predict consumer behavior, and deliver highly personalized marketing messages. This shift is set to revolutionize how we engage with our audiences, hinting at a future where marketing strategies are not just data-driven but are also intuitively in sync with human needs and behaviors. As we embrace this future, we're on the brink of a new marketing paradigm, where the blend of human creativity and artificial intelligence creates unparalleled opportunities for innovation and engagement. The integration of AI allows for more creative and effective marketing strategies, as machines handle data-driven tasks, freeing humans to focus on the creative aspects of marketing that require emotional and cultural understanding. The road ahead is all about exploration, learning, and adaptation as we traverse the ever-changing landscape of marketing in the AI era. Marketers who are willing to adapt and learn can harness these new tools to create more targeted, efficient, and compelling marketing campaigns. And the sky's the limit for those ready to embark on this transformative journey, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in marketing. By leveraging AI, marketers can not only enhance their existing strategies but also innovate new ways to meet the evolving demands of the market. This era of marketing requires a bold approach to embrace the challenges and opportunities presented by AI, ensuring that the marketing profession continues to grow and evolve in an increasingly digital world. Key Idea 2. The real-world application of marketing AI. Let's dive deeper into the exciting world of AI-driven marketing. It's a place where the allure of artificial intelligence meets the practicality of integrating AI into marketing practices, reflecting the broader evolution within the marketing industry. This intersection signifies a transformative phase where technology and creativity merge, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in customer engagement, data analysis, and campaign execution. This transformation often starts with a light bulb moment, a sudden realization that the future of marketing, intertwined with AI, is irresistibly exciting. This aha moment isn't just about recognizing AI's potential, it's also about understanding the challenges of navigating the hype surrounding it. Amid the buzz, the search for genuine AI-powered solutions becomes an adventure, revealing the delicate balance between innovation and practicality. This phase of exploration is crucial as it allows marketers to sift through the noise and identify truly transformative AI applications that can drive real results. The understanding that AI's capabilities are both broad and specific highlights the need for a toolkit rather than a one-size-fits-all solution. This realization marks a key shift in perspective, from seeing AI as an add-on to recognizing it as a crucial framework for the future of marketing. Marketers begin to see AI not just as a tool for automating tasks, but as a strategic partner that can provide deeper insights into consumer behavior, enhance personalization, and optimize marketing spend. This is where the creation of marketing expert and author Paul Roetzer's Marketing AI Institute comes in. It acts as a guiding light for those exploring AI's vast potential, offering a platform to demystify AI's role in marketing. The Institute serves as a hub for thought leadership, providing resources, education, and community support to help marketers transition into this new era. Through initiatives like this, the marketing community can start to distill the essence of AI, turning curiosity into actionable insights. And the launch of the Institute's AI Score for Marketers further illustrates the shift from theory to practice. By allowing marketers to evaluate AI use cases based on their unique needs, this tool makes AI more accessible and applicable. It's a testament to the evolving landscape of marketing, where AI's role is not just theoretical but deeply woven into the strategic fabric of the industry. This practical tool helps marketers assess the feasibility, impact, and readiness of AI applications, guiding them in making informed decisions about which AI technologies can best meet their objectives. As we journey through this AI transformation, the focus on pilot projects emerges as a crucial step towards AI adoption. These initiatives, characterized by their focus on specific, data-driven, and predictive use cases, serve as the testing ground for AI's value in marketing. They represent the practical side of AI integration, where the abstract potential of AI meets the concrete realities of marketing practice. Through these pilot projects, marketers can experiment with AI in controlled, measurable ways to gauge its effectiveness and refine their strategies. It's in these pilot projects that the true potential of AI in marketing begins to shine, offering a glimpse into a future where marketing's creativity and efficiency aren't just enhanced but are redefined by artificial intelligence. These projects demonstrate AI's ability to transform marketing campaigns by predicting trends, automating responses, and providing unprecedented personalization at scale. This journey from curiosity to implementation mirrors a broader narrative of transformation within the marketing industry, a narrative that is as much about personal growth as it is about professional evolution. As we continue to explore the possibilities of AI in marketing, we find ourselves not just witnessing history in the making, but actively participating in a pivotal moment in time, where the future of marketing is being rewritten before our eyes. This era of technological innovation invites marketers to become pioneers, pushing the envelope on traditional practices and embracing new, AI-driven methodologies that will define the future of the industry. Key Idea 3. Revolutionizing advertising with AI. In a time where every click, impression, and sale can be tracked and analyzed, the rise of AI in marketing is opening up a world of possibilities. This digital era, characterized by vast data generation and the capability for precise measurement, has paved the way for technologies like artificial intelligence to make significant impacts in various fields, including marketing. Take Naomi Simpson's story, for example. She's an entrepreneur who harnessed the power of AI to revolutionize her company's marketing efforts, showing us the potential of AI in transforming advertising strategies and discovering untapped customer bases. Simpson's journey with her experiential gifts company, Red Balloon, is a shining example of how AI can spot and optimize advertising opportunities that might slip past human efforts. Initially faced with sky-high customer acquisition costs and dwindling returns on advertising spend through traditional channels and agencies, Simpson turned to AI as a solution. She chose a technology named Albert, which promised to autonomously manage and optimize paid advertising campaigns. Albert's capability to test thousands of ad variations in a single day and to optimize these campaigns in real time led to impressive improvements in ad spend return, hitting, and then exceeding, the ambitious targets set by Simpson. The fact that AI can not only match but significantly outdo human-operated campaigns marks a key evolution in the advertising landscape. The application of Albert at Redballoon is a testament to AI's ability to enhance the efficiency and effectiveness of marketing strategies. Albert successfully discovered a new customer segment of Australian expatriates for Redballoon by analyzing data patterns that were invisible to the human eye. This discovery showcases the depth of insight that AI can provide, highlighting its ability to parse complex datasets and identify opportunities that might otherwise be overlooked. This showcases the shift from manual, labor-intensive campaign management to dynamic, AI-driven marketing strategies that can adapt in real time to the subtleties of consumer behavior. It underlines how AI technologies, through their superior data processing and pattern recognition capabilities, can change the game by implementing strategies that are not only reactive but also proactive. This story isn't just about one company's success or the capabilities of one AI solution. It serves as a broader lesson for marketers on the transformative potential of AI in advertising. The move towards AI-driven advertising strategies isn't just a trend. It's a fundamental shift in how brands can connect with their audience. By harnessing AI, marketers can navigate the complexities of digital advertising, from crafting ads that resonate with specific audiences to optimizing budgets for maximum impact. The ability to tailor and personalize advertising at scale can dramatically increase engagement and conversion rates. For those ready to embark on this AI-driven journey, the story offers practical insights into the steps needed for integration, from pilot projects that test the waters of AI's capabilities to a full embrace of AI technologies that can redefine marketing strategies. These initial experiments help organizations gauge AI's potential and build frameworks for broader implementation. It encourages marketers to see AI not as a distant or inaccessible technology but as a tool that is increasingly essential for gaining a competitive edge in the digital age. Embracing AI in marketing not only improves operational efficiencies but also enhances creative processes by providing deeper insights into customer preferences and behaviors. This, in turn, empowers marketers to make informed decisions that drive success in today's data-driven marketplace. Key Idea 4. The AI-first approach to viral content. As we delve deeper into the transformative power of artificial intelligence in marketing, a colorful example pops up from the creative halls of BuzzFeed, a giant in digital media. Let's look at how BuzzFeed used AI to not just predict but practically guarantee viral success, a strategy that catapulted its animated series, The Good Advice Cupcake, to Instagram fame. This isn't just about creating catchy content. It's about reshaping the very core of content creation, distribution, and optimization through the AI lens. By harnessing advanced predictive analytics and machine learning algorithms, BuzzFeed was able to fine-tune its content to meet the exact preferences of its audience, thereby greatly enhancing the likelihood of viral success. BuzzFeed's foray into AI-driven content marketing wasn't a simple experiment but a conscious shift to an AI-first strategy. This strategic pivot involved using AI to dissect and understand the subtleties of virality, engagement, and content performance on a scale never seen before. It showed how data, when analyzed and acted upon by AI, can power a content flywheel, creating a self-sustaining cycle of increased engagement and revenue. This innovative approach leveraged continuous feedback loops where user interactions with content informed ongoing content development, effectively creating a dynamic system that continuously adapts and improves based on audience response. This approach marks a radical departure from traditional content strategies, and positioned BuzzFeed not just as a media powerhouse but as a trailblazer in using AI for content marketing. The traditional trial and error methods are being replaced by data-driven strategies that not only predict audience preferences with remarkable accuracy but also continually evolve in response to changing tastes and trends. For you, there's a deep lesson embedded in BuzzFeed's strategy. It highlights the essential role of integrating AI into your content marketing efforts. The era where content creation was purely an art is evolving. Today, it's a sophisticated dance between creativity and the analytical power of AI, capable of dissecting and leveraging data to predict what audiences will love, share, and engage with. This fusion of creativity and analytics allows for content that is not only artistically appealing but also finely tuned to the preferences of its intended audience. Moreover, BuzzFeed's approach exemplifies the importance of an AI-first mindset. This means not just adding AI as an afterthought but reimagining your content strategy with AI at its heart. It involves treating every piece of content as a data point, feeding into an ever-improving algorithm that continually enhances your content's relevance and reach. This strategic approach ensures that each piece of content is optimized for maximum engagement, making your marketing efforts more effective and efficient. But perhaps the most important takeaway here is the potential for AI to democratize content virality. It's no longer the realm of those with the deepest pockets for advertising spend but of those who can cleverly use AI to understand and predict their audience's desires. This shift is monumental, promising a level playing field where the quality and relevance of content, powered by AI, are the main drivers of success. With AI, small businesses and individual creators can compete with large corporations on a more equal footing, as the barriers to creating highly effective and engaging content are significantly reduced. As we look to the future, the implications of BuzzFeed's journey for content marketers are clear. Embrace AI not just as a tool but as a foundational component of your strategy. Let it guide your content creation, steer your distribution, and fine-tune your optimization. In doing so, you're not just keeping up with the evolution of marketing in the digital age, you're actively participating in shaping its future, ensuring your content resonates more deeply and spreads more widely than ever before. This proactive adaptation not only secures your place in the competitive landscape but also sets a new standard for what can be achieved when technology and creativity merge seamlessly. Final summary. Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing marketing, transforming both strategy and execution. This transformative technology is not merely enhancing existing processes but fundamentally changing how marketers approach their craft. Through stories like Naomi Simpson's advertising success and BuzzFeed's viral content, AI's impact on the industry is unmistakably clear. It optimizes campaigns, predicts viral hits, and personalizes engagement. These examples provide compelling evidence of how AI can significantly elevate the effectiveness of marketing efforts. This journey into AI showcases a shift towards smarter, data-driven marketing that deeply understands and influences audiences. By analyzing vast amounts of data, AI helps marketers discern patterns and preferences that are often invisible to the human eye. This capability allows for the creation of marketing strategies that are not only highly targeted but also exceptionally relevant to the audience. The result is marketing that is not just efficient but also resonant, capable of reaching consumers in a more impactful way. Embracing AI means unlocking new levels of creativity and efficiency, pushing the boundaries of traditional marketing. With AI, marketers can automate routine tasks, which frees up time for creative thinking and strategy development. This shift from manual to automated processes in certain areas allows marketing teams to focus on more complex, strategic initiatives that require human insight and creativity. Moreover, paving the way for innovative strategies that resonate more effectively with consumers is at the heart of AI's value proposition. AI's ability to analyze consumer behavior and predict trends with precision means that marketing initiatives can be not just reactive but proactive, anticipating the needs and desires of consumers before they are fully articulated. It's an invitation to leverage AI for a competitive edge in a rapidly evolving digital landscape. In today's fast-paced market environment, where consumer preferences shift swiftly and the digital landscape is continually evolving, AI provides marketers with the tools necessary to stay ahead. By integrating AI into their marketing strategies, businesses can adapt more quickly to changes, predict market trends, and deliver content that meets the dynamic needs of their audience. This proactive approach not only enhances the relevance of marketing efforts but also solidifies a brand's position in the competitive digital marketplace. Overall, AI is not just a tool but a game-changer in the field of marketing, offering unprecedented opportunities to innovate and succeed. For businesses ready to embrace this technology, AI represents a critical step towards future-proofing their marketing strategies and achieving significant growth in an increasingly digital world.
Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more book-related content.